Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Dynamically allocating arrays in C, a comprehensive tutorial. Dynamic memory allocation is a powerful feature in C that allows you to request memory at runtime, as needed, rather than having the size of your data structures fixed at compile time. This is especially useful when dealing with arrays where the number of elements might not be known until the program is running. This tutorial will cover the concepts, functions, and best practices for dynamically allocating arrays in C, along with code examples to illustrate each point. Why dynamic allocation? Static allocation, where arrays are declared with a fixed size at compile time, example int my_array10, has limitations. Asterisk fixed size asterisk the size of the array is determined during compilation and